levy, levy, levy. Transitive verb. Definition: impose a tax, fee, or fine. Example: a new tax could be levied on industry to pay for cleaning up contaminated land. Transitive verb. Definition: enlist someone for military service. Example: he sought to levy one man from each parish for service. Noun. Definition: an act of levying a tax, fee, or fine. Example: union members were hit with a 2% levy on all pay. Noun. Definition: an act of enlisting troops. Example: Edward I and Edward II had made substantial use of the feudal levy for raising an army.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.